Hello everyone. In the last video, we have seen how to install Kafka JDK toolkit and how to give an environment path of Java in our system. So today we will create our topic and also changes the configuration in the Kafka file. So one by one, I'll let you know what I have done in the class today. So if some of my friends were having problem in setting Java environment path. So this is very simple and you just have to open your C drive where your Java has. So all the files you install always come in the program files in C drive. So look for Java here. So we are letting know our computer or when we will run Kafka that I have installed my Java in the C drive. So I will give it a path. So till here, till when you have to came here and just copy this command and in the search bar search for edit environment variables. You just have to edit then click on edit and after this system variable. So you have to click on edit or new. You have to click on new. So here you just give the path uh, variable name Java and paste it here. So your and press OK. So I have already set up this. So you can see here C program files Java and Win. Then you have to just click on OK and OK. Now you have set up your Java path. So to run Kafka, we need we need to make changes in the configuration. Means whatever we create or produce in the Kafka, we want them to store in the. We have to give it a location like where we want them to store. So you have to give a Kafka. Then in the configuration, you have to make some changes in the server property. So it open it in the notepad. So you can search for the log as well, it is here, or if the file you can type control F and search for log. So I find it here. So in your computer you will see that here temporary is written. So you have to change this path. So what path you have to give it here? So this path. I want Kafka to store my file inside this. So I'll copy this path and go in my notepad and paste here. Also, when you will type, you will have to change the colon this slash. Use the forward slash while you will see. You have to change this slash. Just after this, press Ctrl S. It will save it and close it. We have changed in the configuration. Zookeeper properties, and now we have to change the properties of server as well. So again, come in the notepad. Here you will see this. change the path. Copy the same path here as well. So one by one we will see this. Also, I was telling this, after giving it path here, after Zookeeper, type this data. Then then press Ctrl S, it will save, and you just click here. Now we have till our Kafka that whatever I will create, you just save this file in my Kafka folder. So now we will create topic. So for that, every time when we are running Kafka, we have to run Zookeeper and server simultaneously. Means we want to awake Zookeeper will look after all the topics, whatever we are producing, whatever consumer is consuming. So it will have a look on all these things. So we want our Zookeeper to be awake and server that you run on this server. So we can open command prompt by pressing window R and type cmd here. But for that we have to give a longer path. So what I'll do, I will come in my C drive, come in the Kafka, and I will write cmd here. So you will see that I have automatically, so whatever I will write, my cmd knows that I have given this path, you have to come till this. So I have command for my Zookeeper to run, or also you can see this on the official page as well. They have all the official document how to use this. So when you will come in the quick start, you will see this command, how to create a topic, how to consume. So I have already written this, so I'll come here and copy this command. I'll share it with you, then I'll copy it and run it in my command prompt. So now my Zookeeper is running. So now we have to minimize it and run my server on the, so for server to run, I'll again open my cmd from here so that I do not have to give the longer path. So type cmd and write the server. So every time open the another window of command terminal. So copy it, open your newly open command prompt, and now my server, I have also awake my server as well. So every time we will work, we have to make sure that our Zookeeper is running and our server is running. Now the time is to create our first topic. So I'll again go into some cmd from here write cmd, enter, and so now we know that our Zookeeper is running, our server is running. Now we will create our first topic. So I have the command. You can copy, I'll share this, and also you can look it for the on the official website of Kafka. So they have given here. So you can also copy it from here. I already have, so that is why I am copying here. So this is not, see, I have opened the terminal, but it has the other path. So I'll again go in the C drive, go in the Kafka, and I'll copy the, I'll type cmd here. Now we are creating our first topic. So let me change test data. You can give any name, test data 1. So now, so is not recognized as an internal command. Yeah, see, I have, the problem is I mistyped this topic. So if you will check that here, it is topics, and here I use the wrong. So I need to change this. It will be topics. Now, if the blinking arrow will come, topics already exist. Oh, it's already exists. So I also need to change test data 1 and topics. So the right command is this. If the blinking arrow will come, means one is also created. So then again I have to change the name. Okay, now it is running. So we have created our topic. Now we will write in this topic. We will produce a message. So for this, we will open another terminal. We'll again go here, type cmd, and now we will produce. After this, you will see the magic. Like when I run this, I find it very interesting. So yeah, now we are creating our first. So I need to change this. Let me check once what name I have given. Kafka 1. So Kafka 1. Now I have made the producer, means from here I can write messages and it will, and the whomever will subscribe to my topic, they will receive a message. Now I'll made one consumer as well. Again I'll go in the CMD from here, and now the command for starting a consumer is this. So I'm just placing it here and my consumer here. So I need to change one thing. I need to change the name of my topic. It's Kafka 1. And I so see, whatever I'll written, I will write in my producer console. Hi Kafka, this is my first message. Let me run this, I think. See, my consumer got the message. So whatever I want to send message. Hi. See, this is the real time streaming of our data. Means whatever, if like I'm working in a bank, or what example you can take, like when we withdraw our cash from the ATM, we got the message. So in the real time, bank is sending messages to us. So they will send like, hey, you have credited, you have debited 1,000. So yeah, so this is the real time use of this Kafka, and this is very interesting. And in the next video or in the next class, we will learn how to integrate Kafka with Snowflake so that whatever whatever message we want to send, it will directly come into the Snowflake database, and from there we can perform the query and see in the real time basis what is running in our company. Like we can create the reports, dashboards, real time dashboards. Yeah, thank you.